You still have your energy for tonight? We're going to party. Oh, no, we're not. Okay. So I'm Ayo, and with me is Pauline once again, and we welcome you to tonight's event, alright? And we are welcoming everyone, whether you are joining us via online or in person. We're thrilled to have you tonight. It's been an exciting day for Lynn. We've had a lot of activities that we did since morning. We kicked off with an inspiring leadership session and a few talks. We also heard from our chapter presidents from different countries about BYU Management Society plans for 2025 and moving forward. And this is just to share what we have done to those who are not yet members of the BYU Management Society. And then the most exciting part, and probably the most draining for the judges,